Hey everyone, this is Manu, Kalia. I'm a physical therapist and Ayurvedic herbalist, Ayurveda's East Indian holistic medical system. And this video is a continuation of the knee injury video we did in the past. I'm going to talk about strengthening muscles above the knee in this video. So we're going to focus on the quadricep muscles, your thigh muscles above the knee in the front, your hamstring muscles, guys in the back, and then your glute muscles. So I'll start with a few basic exercises for your quadricep muscles first, and then we'll go into your hamstrings and then your glutes also. I do want to make sure that if you have knee injuries or you have any serious knee conditions, that you get yourself cleared, checked out by your physician and your physical therapist before you attempt any of these exercises. Okay? These are general guidelines. First exercise we're going to do is called quad set. It's the basic exercise for strengthening the thigh muscle, front of the leg. So I'm going to put a towel under the knee. You can lay down or you can be in sitting. Okay, I'm going to do it in sitting. So you're pushing the kneecap down into the towel and you're tightening up these muscles right here. Hold for at least 10 to 15 seconds and then you relax. Okay? Once again, you push the knee down into the towel, hold the position, make this muscle nice and tight, and then you relax. Okay? Second exercise, a little bit more challenging. You place a ball under the knee, and you can pick you can use a basketball or a soccer ball, it works just fine. I like to do this laying down. Bend the opposite knee, makes it easier on your back. Okay. Same thing, I straighten the leg, so I'm tightening this muscle. Hold the position for 10 to 15 seconds, and then you bring it back down. So we're going to add a couple more things to this, to the same exercise. I'm going to have you straighten out the leg, hold the muscle, push down with the opposite leg into the ground, into the mat. You're tightening your hamstrings too on the opposite side, and your butt muscles, your glutes. And I have you cross your arms, and you lift up as if you're like doing a curl, abdominal curl. So you're tightening up your stomach muscles. So this way you hit multiple muscle groups. And you hold the position, 10-15 seconds, and you relax and bring it down. Okay. So third exercise, which is even more challenging, for the quadriceps again. Same position. I tighten the muscles, my quads, and I lift the leg straight up. I push down with the opposite leg into the mat, tighten my hamstrings and my butt muscles, glutes. Cross the arm, abdominal curl, tighten these guys. Hold the position again. 10-15 seconds. And I bring it back down. Okay? So now we're going to go over a couple of exercises for your hamstrings, back of your thigh, and your glutes. We're going to use this ball here for that. One of those gym balls. If I have my legs straight and I lift up, I'm tightening more my glutes. Some hamstring, mainly my glutes, and my stomach muscles, my abdominals. And I hold the position. Okay? So help strengthen these guys, which will help with your supporting the back of the knee, the joint. And I come back down. If I bend my knees, my feet on the ball, and I push down and I lift up, I'm strengthening these guys, my hamstrings. I'm getting more work done. Hold the position. Stomach is tight, and I bring it back down. Okay? So those are for your glutes and your hamstrings. We're going to do one more exercise for your glutes, the side ones. You're going to bend your bottom knee, lift the leg up. I'm tightening my glute medius, side muscles. Help stabilize my pelvis when I'm walking. make a big difference in knee problems. Hold the position. Now remember, the leg is nice and straight, in line with my shoulders. So you want to make sure your pelvis doesn't drop back or the leg doesn't drift forward. Okay? Keep it in one line, and I hold the position with my hands. Okay? And I bring it down. So that's my side muscles here. They also help stabilize the outside of the joint. I'm going to add one other set of exercises for your glutes and your hamstrings. And you can do this one on the edge of the bed. Sometimes it's hard for people to lay on their stomach. So edge of the bed works quite well. Keeps your back from arching too much. Bend the opposite knee, it's on the ground. I'm going to tighten and lift the leg up, and this again is going to get my glutes back of them. I hold the position, 10 to 15 seconds, and I bring it back down. Now if I want to get the hamstrings in the same position, I'm going to lift, and I'm going to bend the knee. Okay? My back is still in a good position, it's not arching, because my other leg is down. Okay? My pelvis is in a good position. And I hold, and I bring it back down. Okay? So, those exercises, they'll cover above the knee, your quadricep muscles, the first ones, hamstrings, back of the knee, your glute muscles. They help stabilize the joint. Okay? You can increase the difficulty of the exercise by adding ankle weights or therabands, okay? Holding it for a longer duration, or doing more repetitions for that matter. Okay? So these are non-weight bearing exercises. So they're different from squatting or and other lunging and those other exercises. They put less pressure on the joint. So it's better to do these as a progression when you're having knee issues before you jump into any weight-bearing exercises, because the joint might not tolerate the weight-bearing exercises. So do the non-weight-bearing first to strengthen the muscles around, and then you go into the weight-bearing exercises so the joint can tolerate it much better. Okay? I hope you guys found this video helpful, and please leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you.